we're here at DMT Cafeteria in the 9th annual Student Iron Chef Recipe Competition between the culinary arts students of Cigarroa, Martin, and Nixon, where they are showcasing their talent in recipes for a cold sandwich wrap and a hot sandwich. One of the goals of this event is whatever recipes they're preparing. We do have judges that are chefs themselves that are getting criteria for the best originality, best presentation, best taste, and then an overall grand winner. What we're going to do is with the grand winning recipes, we're going to go ahead and analyze them and place them in next year's school menu at the salad bar and the cafeteria line.
Really excited to be here just because the youth, this is the future of our culinary programs for the future. And they're all really working well together. The collaboration, the presentations, everything is just spot on.
So for the overall grand winner for the 2022 Student Iron Chef Recipe Competition goes to Nixon.